ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria and this is my space where I share everything that inspires me. I know that last week was Oscar week and every time I really got inspired by all the beautiful dresses, all the beautiful makeup looks, and this year I was inspired by one makeup look, and this is a look that Jennifer Warren's had. I was so drawn to the burnt orange terracotta lip and I really wanted to try to recreate this makeup look. This is the makeup look I came up with, and this was a great way to challenge myself, to try to be more creative. I tried to achieve this winged eyeliner with an eyeshadow. Also, I tried to come closely to the lip cover she was wearing. Let me know in the comments how do you like this look and if it is similar to her makeup look. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of videos, and if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and I will see you in my next one. Bye! For this NYX Illuminating Primer. For my foundation, I will be using this Catrice High Liquid Coverage Foundation 24 hours. So I set the under eye area and now I will be moving to the eyebrows. I will add some more bronzer later on. Let's move on to the eyes. Also, I will highlight and blush and add the blush later on after we have the eye makeup look. For the eye makeup look, I will be using two palettes, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and the Urban Decay Naked palette, because in the Naked palette there is one black shade with a bit of shimmer in it, and I noticed that in her eye makeup look this winged eyeliner is created with an eyeshadow, and it's more of the black grayish side, and this shade here, Creep, it's called Creep, is a black but with some shimmer. I will start off using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So here is once again the eyeshadow. She has a black eyeliner over really closely to the lash line. I will do that later on. There are a lot of orange, burnt orange, brown, gold shades. I use a couple of colors. The first one will be a dark brown, this shade here. On my lower lash line, I will stop in the middle. And this color, I will use Amber and also Blazing. I noticed that the eyeshadow is all the way to the corner of her eye. Also, on her lower lash line, there is some gold, and also all over the lid there are little pieces of glitter. I will be using this shade How Baked and also Smoke. Added some black eyeliner in my waterline. Okay, I will apply the mascara and some false lashes and I will come back. I pop on some false lashes. These are the Wispy Sis Lancome Star Glow Bronzer. Her nose is a little bit contoured, so I will do the same. So she has a really strong contour and some blush which is more on the peachy side. This sleek makeup blush palette. It's time to highlight using this Married Luminizer by the Balm. To make sure that everything is blended smoothly, I'll use a big fluffy brush and go over the face makeup. So it's time for the lip color. I was looking for the exact color to see if I can find it on the social media, and I was looking through the comments of the celebrity makeup artist who created this makeup look, and so many people were asking about the lip shade, and I saw he's commenting that it was a lip cocktail, so this wasn't one color. I really love this color, orange terracotta shade, and I have a Smashbox Out Loud liquid lipstick, always on liquid lipstick, that I think is kind of similar to this lip shade that she's wearing.